Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. We're cooking this delicious cookies. They're super easy to make and very fast recipe. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we need a bowl, and let's add 150 grams of butter and mix it with a mixer for about a minute. Now let's add 100 grams of sugar and mix it again. Now you can add 2 eggs with in between mixing. Now you can add 50 grams of cornstarch and 5 grams of baking powder. Now you can add the flour. I'm adding 250 grams of flour. Now let's keep it sit and cold in the fridge for a few minutes. Now let's roll it out and let's make the forms. Now let's add them into the baking pan with some baking paper. Let's prepare the glazour. 1 egg, let's separate the whites and the yolks, and we'll use the yolk. A tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of milk. Keep adding to milk until you have this consistency. Now let's spread it on the cookie. You can use a knife to make some beautiful lines, so it looks like a shelf. Now let's send it to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. When it's all done, let it sit until it's barely warm and let's plate it. It's super easy to make, delicious and very beautiful recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.